Democrat Bernie Sanders and Republicans Donald Trump and John Kasich support a single-payer system. This government-run system includes public option, universal health care, national health care, and Medicare for all, much like Canada.
Healthcare is absolutely a human right, whether you're rich or whether you're poor or whether you are in the middle class.
The artificial lines, and you will have yourself great plans. And then we have to take care of the people that can't take care of themselves, and I will do that through a different system.
We have to work hand in hand to make sure that it's not quantity that's rewarded in America, which is what it is today, but really quality.
Democrats Hillary Clinton and Martin O'Malley aim to build on the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. They aim to strengthen and expand the pre-existing foundation.
And let me also say I will defend the Affordable Care Act, which the Republicans still seem intent upon repealing. So I will defend it, but I will also work to improve it.
Of so many, and that is this new waiver that will allow us to improve the well-being of whole populations that are served by hospitals, while at the same time giving our hospitals the predictability they need over the course of time to be able to be sustainable.
Many Republicans, including Mike Huckabee, George Pataki, Ted Cruz, Rand Paul, Lindsey Graham, Carly Fiorina, Marco Rubio, and Chris Christie, would like to see privatized healthcare and a free market system. This would allow prices of healthcare to be determined by unrestricted competition between privately owned businesses. Ideally, this would result in better care and lower costs. Because Obamacare is a public healthcare system, these candidates would like to see Obamacare repealed.
Big mistake in the healthcare front by pushing people toward intervention-based healthcare, which is what Obamacare is.
Obamacare is a horror.
I think healthcare reform ought to expand competition, it ought to empower patients, and it ought to disempower government bureaucrats from getting in between us and our doctors.
Obamacare puts big government between you and your doctor.
Obamacare is destroying healthcare in this country. People are leaving the private sector because their companies can't afford to offer Obamacare.
We have to repeal Obamacare. Obamacare is, talk about a complicated monstrosity.
So this would be a bad idea no matter what the economy is.
Obamacare is a failure. It's always been a failure, and it will not succeed.
Also planning on repealing Obamacare, Republicans Ben Carson, Jeb Bush, and Rick Santorum would like to see health savings accounts. HSA is a tax-deferred private savings account designed to pay for current and future medical costs with tax-free money.
There's a system where we have health savings accounts. Everybody in America has a health savings account. It can be populated with $2,000 every year. If you don't use it, it just continues to accumulate. With $2,000 a year, that's $630 billion. That's not a whole lot compared to what we're spending now, and everybody would have health care.
We need a total revamp of the system.
I'm a big proponent of health savings accounts. In fact, I was the author of them.